When a book's hinge breaks, one cover will pull completely away from the text block. This is caused by the super tearing. It is easy to repair a broken hinge without fully removing the book from the casing by using single-stitched binder tape. The repaired hinge will be stronger than the original. You will need Demco Norbond adhesive, a paste brush, waxed paper, single-stitched binder tape, scissors, a bone folder, cheesecloth, 2 or 3 rubber bands, or a book weight. If the hinge is not fully broken, carefully cut it open. Trim any excess material in the hinge and spine area, and secure all loose material in the spine and inside of the cover with Norbond. Be certain that the end sheet is securely attached to the inside of the cover. Cut the single-stitched binder tape to match the length of the text block. Brush Norbond on one side of the tape. Apply the tape around the edge of the text block with one tab attached to the spine and one tab attached to the front or back page of the text block. Smooth the tape with a bone folder. Blot any excess adhesive, leave the cover of the book open, and set the book aside to dry. After the first part of the repair has dried, insert a strip of waxed paper between the 2 tabs in the spine area to guard against any excess adhesive sticking the tube closed. Place another sheet of waxed paper on top of the text block. Brush Norbond onto the exposed tabs of the tape. Bring the edge of the cover into position along the row of stitches. Use a bone folder to smooth one tab of the tape to the inside of the cover. Close the book and firmly run the edge of the bone folder along the outside of the spine to attach the 4th tab to the inside of the tube. Hold with the rubber bands and set the book aside to dry overnight. Remove the waxed paper after the adhesive has dried. The repaired book will have 2 tabs of the binder tape visible when the cover is opened, and 2 tabs attached to the inside of the tube. Occasionally, the flyleaf will remain attached to the cover rather than the text block. When this happens, it is essential that you remove the flyleaf and set it aside before proceeding with this repair. After the hinge is repaired, you should use a piece of adhesive-backed cloth tape to reattach the flyleaf into the book.